Phrase 1. At an early date. Meaning. Soon. Someday soon. Example. The note said, "Please call me at an early date." You are expected to return the form to the office at an early date. Phrase 2. Cut someone's water off. Meaning. To squelch someone. To thwart someone. Example. Well, I guess that cuts your water off. That sure cuts off my water. Phrase 3. Cry all the way to the bank. Meaning. To make a lot of money on something that one ought to be ashamed of. Example. That dreadful movie had no artistic merit. I suppose the people who produced it are crying all the way to the bank. Jane, have you read the new book by that romance novelist? They say it sold 1 million copies, but it's so badly written that the author ought to be ashamed of herself. Alan, I'm sure she's crying all the way to the bank. Phrase 4. Glow with something. Meaning. 1. Lit. For something, to put out light, usually because of high heat. Example. Her healthy face glowed with pride. Her eyes glowed with a towering rage. The last of the coals still glowed with fire. 2. Fig. For someone's face, eyes, etc., to display some quality, such as pride, pleasure, rage, health. Phrase 5. Lie about. Meaning. 1. For someone, to recline lazily somewhere. Example. This hammer has been lying about for a week. Put it away. Why are all these dirty dishes lying about? Don't lie about all the time. Get busy. 2. For something, to be located somewhere casually and carelessly, perhaps for a long time. Phrase 6. In a pique. Meaning. Having a feeling of resentment. Feeling that one's pride has been hurt. Example. Johns found himself in a pique over Bob's harsh criticism. In a real pique, and insulted all of her friends. Phrase 7. Call on something. Meaning. To draw on something, such as a particular quality or talent. Example. It calls on everything you've got. This project calls on all the creative skills you can gather together. Phrase 8. Take the stand. Meaning. To go to and sit in the witness chair in a courtroom. Example. I was in court all day, waiting to take the stand. The lawyer asked the witness to take the stand. Phrase 9. Luxuriate in something. Meaning. To indulge oneself in something. To enjoy the luxury of something. Example. She stood in front of the mirror, luxuriating in her lovely new coat. They were all luxuriating in the warm, bubbling waters of the hot tub. Phrase 10. Pop something up. Meaning. To remove something by making it jump or burst upwards. Example. Henry popped the lid up and helped himself to the strawberry preserves. He popped up the lid and cleaned out the jam jar.